So here we are sailing into Bergen this morning. Absolutely beautiful, stunning weather. We are so lucky, so lucky to have such beautiful weather, because Bergen is definitely renowned for its cloudy weather and rain, but look at this, absolutely beautiful. So it's kind of, unfortunately I've got to log on and do a little bit of work, only a few minutes, but I mean, come on, how can you not work to this type of view? It's absolutely stunning. So yeah, so feeling a little bit rough this morning, and that's not alcohol driven. I've just got a bit of a sore throat. But yeah, not stopping me. Just going to get on with the day, and we'll see where it takes us.
While Justin finished work, I spent some time in the piazza with our good friends Nick Roker from Nick Tours, Chris and Brad from Chag Cruises, Bob and Holly from Innocent Sports, and of course Alfie and Jackie. After some much needed caffeine, I headed up to the Lido with Nick to watch the sailing.
Let's go! Bergen!
Bergen. So second time.
Bergen.
Yeah.
Bergen.
Do you know the thing is though? Last time we came, it was like this: warm, glorious sunshine, and
We have had a lot of luck with
luck.
Bergen.
I think we need to go to the casino tonight, because if this is 2 days we've been in Bergen where it hasn't rained, we must be
That's
lucky.
true. And
Yeah.
we've got the sanctuary this afternoon. A little bit.
That'd be nice.
It should be nice.
Chill out.
Chill out afternoon.
Today, Sky Princess had docked in Bergen Ferry Terminal rather than the cruise terminal. While this does mean you have more of a walk into the centre of Bergen, you do get to enjoy some stunning architecture. Before long, we arrived at Bryggen, or the dock when translated. Bryggen is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and has been a port since the old Hanseatic League established Vegan Harbour in 1350.
Apart from nearly falling in the water there, we have the best weather, seriously, in Bergen today. We have been so lucky. Yesterday was awful at sea, but this is stunning. And yeah, we're just going to have a little explore and then head to the sanctuary for our cabana this afternoon for a bit of relaxation. Cool.
A top tourist attraction in Bergen is the fish market, which has been trading here since the 1200s. You'll find all sorts of variety of sea life here, just watch your fingers.
Anyone for crabs?
Fish.
Fish
Don't
fry.
know, not my sort of thing to smell.
Crabs, they look like they're about to climb out of the thing. Oh, don't put your fingers in there, God knows.
Gosh, no,
You might end up with nothing left.
While exploring the market, we decided to try out some local delicacies.
Would you like some moose sausage?
Moose, whale, and reindeer.
Moose, whale, and reindeer. What do you want to eat?
Which one should I try?
I don't
Which one do you
know.
recommend to try?
Reindeer.
Reindeer. Josh is not going to like you.
really strong benefit.
Yeah?
Of course.
It's good?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to try another one? No. No? Okay. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Good day, guys. See y'all.
Oh no, you're going to get eaten.
Rudolph?
Rudolph?
Donna? Blitzen? Cupid?
Which one got stuffed?
I have a red nose, so it can't be Rudolph.
No, maybe Donna.
It's a Prancer.
Prancer. Justin's long lost family. I didn't know you had relatives here in Norway.
Briggen is great to walk around and explore the tourist shops. Just beware, it can be pricey.
What did you say, Justin?
We found Josh's favourite restaurant. It is.
McDonald's. That is possibly one of the most disguised McDonald's I've ever seen as well.
It's still McDonald's. We're going to go to 7-Eleven to see if we've got a Slurpee.
You want a Slurpee? Yeah.
Last time we were here, they weren't here, so we'll try our luck.
Sadly, there were no slushies. However, they did have some fantastic cakes. Another top tourist attraction in Bergen is the Fløibanen funicular railway, taking you to 320 metres above sea level. On a clear day, it's a great way to see the city. As we had done this on our previous trip, however, we decided to give the queues a miss this time.
Justin,
Yep.
can I get a... Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
While exploring Bergen, we came across a local arts festival. It had some really interesting acts and free games to play too.
Is it making you want to go to the bathroom?
Oh, I know. It's like that looks like a toilet though. Look.
Justin thinks this looks like the toilet.
Yeah, look. Goes all the way down and then there's
It's a very long toilet apparently. It runs all the way down, back on itself,
and then
down again.
goes down the drain.
Bergen is just so pretty.
Very. And it's so sunny and lovely today. It's so.
I know, we seem to have better luck with the weather in the fields than
And
most.
what we do and better lucky than in the
In the UK, definitely, yeah.
I mean, Paul and Carol, look, we found it. We found it. Like Hamburg, it's
Always beer
not very
house.
happening, does it? No.
Doesn't look very open though.
No.
So that was a whistle-stop tour of Bergen.
Yeah, but it's good. It's lovely to get out, have a walk around, especially with this weather. And then
Yeah, and then we're going back to the sanctuary. Well deserved, I think,
Yeah,
personally.
I think so.
We've walked a couple of miles, we've well deserved. And then sanctuary for the afternoon for some relaxation.
yeah,
Come with us.
go.
Go! It's a pretty nice touch actually that you
Yeah.
get on Princess. It seems like so they've got a little water station out here for
When you come back to the
food.
ship, so
It's really nice.
Yeah, it
just
is.
little things that are just nice little touches I think that Princess do really nice. So, cool.
So
Cheers.
have arrived. Cheers, cheers. Prost.
Cheers.
I don't know what they say in Norway.
Skål? No, that's Swedish, isn't it?
I think so.
Someone tell us, please.
Yeah.
Help. Oh, I'll tell you what, that's nice though. You're a very nice husband. booking this as well. So we're having afternoon tea, and this looks stunning. And I have to say, they accommodated so well. So Justin being lactose free, they've given him loads of lactose free cake, so much cake. Lactose free sandwiches specially made, and chicken lactose free, also I can't have prawns, although I have actually had some bresaola and some bits of with cream in to try. And they actually brought out lactose free milk, which was really nice, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was nice.
That's really, really nice. And this looks so yummy. It looks like a lot of food though, I have to say, so I hope Gavin and Luke hurry up, because I don't think I can eat all of this.
No.
Not to ourselves. Won't manage dinner, yeah?
Yeah, no.
Gotta leave space for dinner. Crown Grill.
Yeah.
Need to have space for dinner. Yum.
Who are you? What's going on?
I'm relaxing.
Relaxing.
Unless you're bringing me a mimosa, I'm not interested.
Alright, whatever. We are just making ourselves at home.
Very much so.
Very much so, aren't we?
Can we just stay here?
I wish, but no. Unfortunately, no. There's not an unlimited cash supply.
The Cruise Monkeys made it just in time to share our mammoth afternoon tea. Before we spent the rest of the afternoon relaxing in the sanctuary.
To the wake, we're off to the wake.
Good evening.
Good evening.
We've had a wonderful afternoon in the sanctuary. So good we booked it again.
Yeah.
Not the cabana though, that's a bit expensive. But yeah, we're going, as Justin said, to the wake pub to watch a bit of the sail away. We're sailing away quite late tonight, actually 8 p.m.
Yeah.
But we were in late today,
Yeah.
midday, so still quite cool. And then yeah, we're going to Crown Grill.
Which we didn't try last time, but at least we'll get to try it this time, yeah?
Yeah, I'm quite excited about that. A lot of people say a lot of good things about Crown Grill, so
Looking forward to it.
this is going to be good, and everyone loves the steak. Well, bridge. Breathing Lake is somewhere. There he is.
having a fun time.
After a fantastic sail away and some drinks with good friends, we headed down to Crown Grill.
Ta-da! We finally made it to Crown Grill. With these lunatics.
With these two.
These lunatics, yeah. Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yums. I like steak.
There's some very nice steaks on this menu.
Yeah.
It's a really yummy looking menu. Ooh, why should I flip straight to desserts? So Justin, what have you gone for?
So I've gone for the salad, the Chops grill salad.
Is it Chops Grill Salad? Is that actually what it's called, Chops Grill Salad? That looks
it
very
is.
yummy.
And it's got some
Very
great oil dressing, which looks good. It's all my favourite
I went
salad.
for the scallops. Apparently we all went for the scallops too.
We went for the same.
Yes.
Scallops look really yum. I'm going to enjoy this. As you can see, worst scallops I've ever had, clearly. I mean, you know, how anyone could, drain the plate like that. I mean, it's hard work, tough job.
If I was at home now, I'd be licking it.
You'd lick
Get
it.
some bread and
Well, there is some bread there. You're welcome to use
Keeping
some.
up on my soup.
Oh, you're keeping that for your soup.
That sauce is.
That was the salad.
Okay. The only thing is that the peppers were really slimy, and I'm just having it.
No one likes a slimy pepper.
But apart from that, the rest of the salad was good.
What?
The rest of it was
The rest
fun.
of the salad was good.
Yes, except for the.
I've got the giggles now.
Great. I'm having for my second course.
You're having a liquid second.
I'm having a liquid second course. That's my second course there. It's great. I'm having grapes, fermented grapes.
It's very healthy of you.
It is. And Tristan's gone with.
I don't know, it looks like pink blancmange. Any ideas? Pink blancmange?
Oh.
Is it wrong that my
That's
my
Himalayan,
mind?
yeah?
Yeah, that's a Himalayan, and that's the lava.
Oh. Thank
The
you.
two salts. Is it wrong that my mind went to that looks something dubious on the plate?
Why?
It looks like a line of something.
Oh, yeah. Oh, now you said
It looks like a line of something on the plate.
Thank you. I'm
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Wow, so we have got
chips.
chippies,
I was about to say mac and cheese, but it's not mac and cheese. Mashed potato.
green
spinach.
and mushies.
Mushrooms. Luke went for the Kansas strip. And then we all went for ribeyes in varying states of cookness.
They're just like loads.
Did we
of
go?
veggies.
Did we go from
Sides.
barely alive to like
Just dead.
and then this is like really dead? So
Well, we
yeah.
went to still mooing, not mooing, boot leather.
Stop boot leather.
Meat sweats are in full
I think I'm
effect.
gonna roll out of here tonight.
Yeah, meat sweats in full effect.
Like literally every time.
Oh,
This is so funny.
Iron.
He just asked us if we have room for dessert. Now, obviously we do, but
it was just like I'm getting something special.
Justin's getting something special from the waiter. I'm a little bit concerned here.
Something special.
But on a serious note, cheesecake, salted caramel, creme brulee in one. What can go wrong?
I'm just waiting for my special dessert.
We were all wrong. It was a fruit plate.
Good.
Yes, I was wrong.
You went for health.
I'm gone healthy, but that's
You've gone for
fine.
healthy.
I don't mind that.
It's good to go for healthy. I would say, do you want to try it? But it's really not that exciting.
Yeah, but no, but it can
Yeah, but
be
no, but.
exciting. Yeah, but no, but
Yeah,
because
Justin always says yummy, yum, yum,
Yum,
yum.
yum, yum, yum.
But this was, I think, officially now one of my new favourite steakhouse. Let's see.
Yeah,
I can't remember which one it replaced, but it replaced one.
yeah,
It's definitely a good one.
yeah. I actually like my dessert surprise the best. As a lactose intolerant person, I knew that it was.
And it wasn't sorbet,
It wasn't,
so it was a surprise.
and it was fruit.
But the cheesecake was much better. After such a yummy and filling dinner, we headed up for some fresh air and were greeted by the amazing, almost midnight sun. So it is nearly midnight. It's like 20 to midnight. Would you believe it? Hang on. See if I can get my watch to do it. Oh, sorry, it's 11:30 at night. Sorry, 11:30 p.m. Stunning. Well, wait till tomorrow, but stunning. Stunning, absolutely stunning. And just so we can prove that we are really in the fjords, somewhere about in the background there, somewhere around the corner, there's snow.
Oh gosh, there's snow up there too.
Gavin, behave yourself. So the sun just went down just before midnight, and we did the land of the midnight sun and all the photos, but it's still just about up. It's already rising again. It's like crazy, isn't it?
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, like, comment and share.